I wasn't ready. Where are my notes? Where are my notes? I wasn't ready for this. I'm a lump. Shush. Calm down. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone, I'm Anna. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, you're missing a lot. Because I promised my fans on Instagram I'm gonna tell my secret how my hair are looking like this after 150 times of bleaching at home. Okay, I'm not doing it anymore because I had a few lessons, more than few. Hey, I'm gonna talk about my hair and my tricks and tips, what I do to my hair to make them look healthy and shiny and beautiful and greasy like they look right now, but it doesn't matter. Excuse me, I'm just looking at my notes because I don't remember shit. Like, I'm just chatting loads of things and then I don't remember and then I'm just like going down like that. Okay, please come back. So I'm gonna share with this secret how to have a nice shiny hair like mine and without losing them, and I'm blonde as well, so it means bleach and more bleach. I didn't say that. So I'm gonna answer the questions. What do I use? What do I do? How often I do it? You know what I'm saying? And sharing is caring. Okay, let's go. Looking at my hair and you think, oh my god, okay, her hair looks good now. I mean, not right now because they're quite greasy because I didn't wash them for 4 days. This is one of the secrets, so I'm gonna talk about this later on. So let's just move on because I've got to stick with notes. I can't skip, right? I've got to stick with the notes. So pardon me. Let me show you how my hair looked like 5 years ago. You will see what I'm talking about. That's my natural color. That's dark brown. This is my natural color, right? So I always wanted to be blonde. I think this is like a dream of every single girl who's got natural dark hair. I just said to my mom, like, years ago, I want to be blonde. I want to have blue eyes. I want to be blonde, and I want to look like a princess. And she was like, I'm sorry, hon. Nah, she didn't say that. She was like, yeah, go for it. Yeah, so I started bleaching my hair, and from a dark brown, I became blonde, and as you saw, grey, silver, and purple sometimes. After all of these bad experiences and experiments with my hair at home, bleaching 5 times a day sometimes. No, sorry, that was a lie. 3 times a day. I tried 3 times. Yeah, I'm still happy I got hair, so I'm quite glad. Let me show you ups and downs, and then I will explain you how to fix it. So all you seen in the short videos is all fixable. It's all fixable. So yes, it is fixable, because I almost lost the like 30% of my hair, as you seen on the video, and now I'm back. Just think, you remember when I mentioned I had a greasy hair? That's one of my tip, because I don't wash my hair very often. I wash my hair if I know I'm going out, or I wash my hair if I know they too greasy. Means you can probably fry the egg or chips. That's too greasy. So I would say twice a week. Crazy, innit? I mean twice a week. But it's gonna help your damaged hair. When you bleach your hair, you blonde. You want to be blonde, right? You want to be blonde, but you don't want to have damaged hair. What you do, don't wash your hair too often, because all of that grease you got, that's the sebum or something like that. Sebum is good for your hair. It's like natural oil. So leave it. Let the people say you got very greasy hair. It doesn't matter. Fuck. You know what I'm saying? Just tell him to mind your own business, mate. Leave my hair, because few weeks and you will notice a difference, because they're not gonna be that dry. So that's my first tip. I wash hair twice a week. That's it. Twice a week. Any more? Slap. Give it a slap. Don't be shy. Give it a slap yourself. Right? Twice a week. That's it. 2. The best thing I've ever been used for my hair is a new hair mask from Davines. This is it. This is my number 1 of hair mask. Yes, it's a hair mask. Yes, it is hair mask. Is it thick? Yes, it is. It didn't really move. Smells. I'm addicted at that smell. If I will use anything different, I feel guilty. I feel bad, right? I get too excited about this mask, so I needed a break. No, honestly, this hair mask changed my life. I've used so many different hair masks, conditioners, blah blah blah. This is, in fact, I wanna cry because it's that good. Jesus fuck, I'm telling you, if you wanna have a good hair, this. See? This. You're washing your hair using the cheapest shampoo. I mean, it's £2. Washing your hair twice a week with this. Smells good as well. Then put that mask. Again, I've done it. That mask for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then boom, you got speechless. I'm speechless. But you know when you got these smooth, and before you were like, you know, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's the massive difference. And you know, I don't even know what it's got inside. It doesn't matter. Who cares? I don't give a shit. honestly, but it works and it smells amazing, and it's just it's quite expensive, but if you know it's gonna help, it's better to get this one. I think I paid on eBay, I think I paid 50-60 quid, something like that, but this is gonna last you for 6 months. Okay, I will say 6 months. Okay, so that was a hair mask. I think I spent too much time on this hair mask, but this is the main thing why my hair are so smooth and shiny and smell nice and they're good and they're growing. Yeah, that's the main point. If I don't have these, I'm not gonna use anything else. So okay, let's move on. So you got like, okay, you wash your hair. What I always do, I got any oil, like hair oil, argan oil, or keratin smooth, that says. It doesn't matter, just any oil, any few drops, do that, apply on your wet hair, and then another tip, let it dry itself. That save you loads of damage. You know, you don't want to damage your hair anyway, so let it dry, like without heat, without blow dry. Just leave it. Like, if I've got to wash my hair, I know, okay, let's do it on Wednesday because I'm not going out, so let's do it on Wednesday. Then I'm going to sleep, then I wake up and I've got this natural, shiny, beautiful, healthy looking hair. This is what I got, right? And not the last one, good hairdresser. You got to find yourself good hairdresser. It doesn't mean expensive, because from my experience, I found the most expensive. I used to pay $350 for just the highlights, just face frame. Then I found someone who done the same thing, half price. Then I found someone who done it cheap but good. But you don't want to do it cheap. Like, if you want a good service, you got to pay, you got to be prepared. Like, if you blonde, okay, you blonde, and you want loads of highlights without the damage. Let's say, I wouldn't pay more than 180. That's my limit, 180. I think last time I paid 120, and that was amazing. That was quality. So yes, good hairdresser. Don't do it at home. Don't bleach your hair at home, my darling, because this is what I was doing. And from hair, that length, it went like that. So yeah, good hairdresser. The last one, I got myself 2 years ago these skin, hair, nails tablets. I don't know. Tablets. I don't know. Never mind. No, it's quite important, to be honest. Oh, I've got only this thing. They smell. I bought these on a sale. I think I paid like tenner, something like that, 10 quid, £10. But if they're not on sale, they probably like 24 or something like that. But it's worth it. It's 240. It lasts for ages. One every day. And even not just your hair, it's good for your brows, it's good for your tash. Because to be honest, I started taking them and my hair started growing everywhere. Well, I mean, I don't care. If I've got more hair on my head, I don't give a shit, really. It helps, it works, that's the job. Yes, of course, yeah. So happy days. I'm just looking at that list and I don't know if I said everything I wanted to say, but it's just a hair. One more thing, hairbrush. This one, oh no, this one's dirty. I've still got hair on it. I should have done it before, but I don't know. Okay, let me just get rid of it. Hairbrush. This is my hairbrush because my actual hairbrush, the paddle hairbrush, the big hairbrush, is gone. Someone nicked it, I think. If you're watching this video and you saw my my hairbrush, big black hairbrush, square, I want it back because that was my favorite one. And now I've got this from £2 because I still believe I'm gonna find it. But yeah, hairbrush is important as well. Even that one does the job, yeah. That's the job. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very messy. I went quite messy, I don't know. Next time I will slow down myself and I will do it more professional as a real YouTube girls, they do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how your hair are doing. So thanks for watching. Show me some love. If you like it, show me some love, because I need to know, should I carry on making these videos or they're completely useless and I'm just wasting my time and your time. So let me know, please, because I can't sleep, I can't eat, I can't drink, I can't, it's just honestly, it's bad. I need to know. Let me know. Me, action, reaction, okay? See ya.